The race to build scalable general-purpose robotics is accelerating. A new generation of robotics companies is pushing beyond demos and into real-world deployment across warehouses, factories, homes, and defense environments. In 2026, the top robotics companies are defined by advancements in AI-powered automation, humanoids, and industrial efficiency. These firms dominate by combining advanced artificial intelligence, hardware, and software to deliver autonomous, versatile, and secure robotic systems for factories, logistics, and service applications. Here are the top robotics companies to watch in 2026. Number 5. Aptronic. Its valuation stands at over $5 billion US. Its prized product is the Apollo, a general-purpose humanoid robot designed for real-world tasks like logistics, manufacturing, and warehouse operations. With 60 kg payload and a 4-hour runtime, it automates high-turnover tasks. Founders are Jeff Cardenas and Nick Payne, with Jeff Cardenas as the Chief Executive Officer. Number 4. Skilled AI. With valuation approximately $14 billion US, an omni-bodied AI controlling diverse robotics across tasks. Founders are Deepak Pathak and Abhinav Gupta, with Deepak Pathak as the Chief Executive Officer. Number 3. Boston Dynamics. Based in the United States, this firm specializes in building animal-like robots with a valuation approximately $20 billion US. It has 3-decade-length locomotion now entering commercial scale production. Founded by Mark Pether, the company transitioned from research to commercializing advanced AI-driven humanoid robots for industrial tasks, collaborating with Google DeepMind. Number 2. Figure. A California-based startup focuses on general-purpose humanoids powered by advanced AI. Founded in 2022, it raised significant funding to develop robots for unstructured tasks, emphasizing safety and adaptability. With a $39 billion US valuation, it has investors like NVIDIA, OpenAI, Microsoft, to mention a few. Founded by Brett Bradcock, who is also the Chief Executive Officer. Number 1. Tesla Optimus. Tesla, known for electric vehicles, has pivoted into AI robotics with Optimus, aiming to create general-purpose humanoids for mundane tasks. Under Elon Musk's vision, Tesla leverages its artificial intelligence expertise from autonomous driving to robotics. Targeting a 2026 rollout, it has a funding of approximately $20 billion US. Elon Musk is the originator, with Tesla as the major investor. Musk's artificial intelligence-controlled bipedal humanoid robots designed to autonomously perform diverse physical tasks. From foundation models to embodied artificial intelligence to humanoids moving goods in warehouse, the category is shifting from experimentation to scaled execution. Capital is concentrating. Technical ambition is rising. The push to commercialize physical artificial intelligence at scale is gaining momentum. In 2026, these top AI robotics companies are not only innovating, but also commercializing technologies that promise to transform industries. From Boston Dynamics Atlas to Tesla's Optimus, the fusion of AI with robotics heralds a future of enhanced productivity and human augmentation.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events, and interviews across business, tech innovation, and lifestyle, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.